Hello guys, welcome to Africa Beauty channel. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell so you always get notified when I post a new video. So this is a short one. I just want to share with you how the village streams look like. As you can see in the first video, this is how our stream look like. So this is me after washing in the village stream, coming back to dry my clothes on the line. This is how beautiful my village is. This is how the compound looks like. This is actually the backyard. So it's not fence. There's nothing like fence. We are all covered with palm trees, bananas trees, plantain, a lot of pears, pineapple. All plants are there. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, I'm drying my clothes on the line. This is how it is in the village. Most times we use the bamboo. I think the dry steam to dry our clothes on it. Yes. So today I'm using the side to dry my clothes because the clothes were matched. So this is how I got dry my clothes. I was drying them, putting them on the line to make sure the sun actually dry everything. So this village is surrounded by mountains. As I always say, I'm surrounded by mountains, beautiful natures. We live in the mountains. So this is how beautiful my village, my compound is actually. Yeah, so enjoy the view, enjoy everything done in the video. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe. I beg you, subscribe so that you always get notified when I post a new video. So I'll post a lot of videos on this platform. Please make sure you share and also thumbs up. If you have a comment, let's see it. So enjoy the view.